Amother-of-two has been left with burns to her face, neck and chest after attempting a hack shown recently on Loose Women. Áine Lynch, 35, from Mayobridge, company down Northern Ireland, was watching Loose Women on 15th April when panellist Frankie Bridge showed off a hack to cook poached eggs in the microwave. The former Saturday's singer taught her fellow Loose Women and viewers at home how to crack an egg into a mug filled partly with water and place it in the microwave. "I'm finding it hard to sleep, so I'm now taking sleeping tablets," she said. My emotions are really erratic now too. One minute I'm fine, the next I'm crying my eyes out. I'm so afraid of being left with permanent scarring on my face. Her fellow panellists were left impressed when she pulled out the perfect poached egg from the microwave on set. Aine, a mother of two who works as a client executive for Vodafone, was also impressed and so, a couple of days later, decided to try the hack herself only for her breakfast to explode in her face. Explaining how she got her injury, Aine said, "On Saturday morning, my husband Johnny and I both got up and got the kids sorted out with breakfast, and I started to make us breakfast at about 10. a.m. I'd seen this hack on Loose Women and thought it'd give poached eggs and bacon a go. I filled a mug halfway with water, swirled it, cracked an egg in, and put it on for 60 seconds. The egg came out overdone, so I got another mug and did the same, only this time I put it in for 50 seconds. Once it was done, I lifted the mug out of the microwave, and within seconds the egg exploded and sprayed the boiling water all over my chest, neck and face. I just started screaming for Johnny to come, and I ran into the bathroom and started covering my chest and face in cold water. I soaked 2 flannels and kept the wounds cool, while Johnny ran to our local chemist where Paul, the pharmacist, gave him cream and a burns pad, and advised we go to A&E, Aine, who has 2 young children, aged 22 months and 12 weeks, added. Aine hopes that she can spread awareness and warn others about the dangers of trying hacks like this one. "We're very lucky, but even though it was just a 10-minute drive, it felt like hours because the pain was excruciating." "I was taken straight in, without Johnny because of COVID restrictions, and the nurses covered me in burns pads and blankets because my body was shivering with the cold caused by shock." All that kept going, though my head was, thank God I didn't have one of the kids in my arms, especially my youngest, as I'm usually holding her. I was in A&E for 5 hours and sent home with a bag of pain relief and lotions and dressings. Thankfully Johnny's work is very understanding and have given him the week off to look after the kids, because the painkillers are so strong they leave me a bit drowsy, so it's not safe to be alone with them.